It's like I'm always starting a video out walking out the garage. I don't know why, but I always do because I want to start the video as soon as I get outside. Today is a very, very, very good day, but it's a very ugly day today because we have a new project. And as you can see in the title, new project. But let me show you what I have, and it's gonna be some work. There's gonna be things I've never done before. Let me just show you guys. Here we go. We have a 2010 Honda Element with front damage, and it does have a little frame damage. Like, that's the ear. That's what I was looking for. I thought maybe it was just that bent, but no, that's the frame. So it's kinked over a little bit that way, and I looked at this one already, and it's over just a little bit that way as well. So this fender looks okay, and everything else looks okay on it. So I'm happy about that. I am concerned about the frame rails, but I think this one I'm gonna actually kind of think I'm gonna keep. Reason being, two options. It's a 2010, and the other thing, it's all-wheel drive SC. So that's why I think I want to keep it. Now the passenger fender is I mean I don't have the skills to hammer that back out. I honestly, I really don't. I don't have the skills to do that whatsoever. Now the inside, let me show you guys the inside. It's really dirty. The hood is damaged. I think I could probably fix that though. And it's got like a little dent right there, and a little one over there, which wasn't too bad. The hinges don't look bad whatsoever. I did pull out the battery on it. It's over there on the ground charging, because it does run and start just fine. Like, none of the hoses or anything like that is damaged. Yeah, it's just extremely dirty. I don't see any other stress, like on the shock towers. Stuff moved around over there. Also there, normally you'll see like the bolts and stuff move. Back there in the back, if you can see that frame rail, it's all okay back there. So, and then this one down there, let me hold on. Let me see if I can hold this up real quick. One hand. Okay. So down there, now as in these bolts and stuff here, it doesn't look like nothing moved, but right on this edge here, that's actually bent over there a little bit. I know it's supposed to have a little bit of curve, but I don't think it's that much whatsoever. I know it's not that much because I compared it to my other Elements. And this side, you could tell, let me see if I get you a little bit closer. That's too close. Sorry, you really can't tell, but I'm gonna take it apart. But this one is actually, it's going towards the passenger side. So as you can see, it was hit here, boom, pushed everything over. But if it was hit here, it's kind of weird that this side took most of the damage. It seemed like it was hit here, and it should have shifted everything that way, but it was, I don't know, it was like it was pushed that way, and maybe something hit it right here too. I don't know. But let's take it apart and see what parts we have to replace. So far, I know the bumper support, the grill, the bumper, lower, because it's two pieces, this two parts bumper. Not like the older SCs, is one whole bumper. And I know the radiator support and the headlights gonna have to be replaced, and that fender. So let's grab some tools and start ripping her apart and see what we got. All right, so I got the radiator pulled off, and Got all the hoses buttoned up. I did get a little carried away. My OCD kicked in after I removed the radiator. Let me just show you guys. I cleaned it. I mean, I cleaned the whole car, even though it's gonna rain. It looked like it's gonna definitely rain, but I cleaned the whole car. But I want to show you guys how bad that is, and it stops about right there, like it's right there. So I'm glad it didn't go too far back, because if it went farther back, I'd probably been in a lot more trouble. The same with this one. This side, it just bent this little corner here, not all the way back like that one. So once I gotta find somebody that has a frame machine so they can pull both of these back over, and then once they pull it back over, then I should be able to replace this whole core support here. I wonder, I'm actually thinking about it, I wonder, since it's a 10 and the headlight's a little bit different, but I wonder if the core support's the same as the 3 to 8. I don't think it is, or 3 to 7, 2007, but I honestly don't think it is. But let me give you some more info on this car. It's a 2010 Element all-wheel drive. I mean, it has all-wheel drive. It has a rear end. And let me show you that real quick, because some people don't believe me. So it has the badge, 4-wheel drive Element. Let me show you guys underneath. And there's differential axles. So it is a SC all-wheel drive. It has 186,000 miles, I believe, and it's not too bad. I did get water. The window was cracked, and when I was washing it off, I got water everywhere. So I actually able to put the battery back in and roll the window back up. I don't have the back seats. They didn't come with it. Well, those are all the parts I took off. That center support is going to be good. These are all the good parts. The headlight is actually not good at all. I couldn't bear to throw it away because it looked decent. And all the little nuts and bolts I needed. So it's not too bad in the inside. I wish I had the back seats, but I could always find them. Other parts. Oh, and it's supposed to have like the cooler thing right here. I've been actually finding them, but people want too much money, like $200 to $400 for it, and I was like, I need to put that money towards the front of the car, because I need that core support and this fender here, and then hopefully if I could find a body shop to pull these over and to pull this other stuff, because this one is kind of, I don't know what this is called, apron or something, I'm not 100% sure, but it's got a little bend to it there. This side doesn't. It has actually, I take that back, it has like a little buckle here because of this frame rail, but I don't think it's that bad. So I'm also wondering, should I go ahead and pull the engine and transmission out, just so we get the frame pulled, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to get an estimate. Somebody can do that for me. I'll probably have to go down to Dallas area, because I called a few shops up here. Nobody has a frame machine no more. I guess they don't do frame jobs. I guess one lady, she told me that, yeah, we don't pull frames, we just cut them out and replace them. That's it. She said everything that they do, they just cut and replace. And I was just thinking about it. Well, if something is hit pretty good and you don't pull it back and then cut it out, is that a problem? I think that's a problem, because all the videos I watch, like V-Tune and all them, him and his brothers, they pull everything before they start cutting it out. So they don't want to give me inspiration to go ahead and tackle something like this. But I was just hoping, praying that the frame rails wasn't bent, but it is what it is. It's not that bad. I don't think it's that bad. I don't know, some of you guys looking at it like, God dang it. But I don't think it's that bad. And it starts and runs and drives just fine, not one sound, so that was good. What I didn't know, when I looked at it, I was like, oh, maybe it still got radiator fluid in it. It didn't. It didn't have nothing, because the bottom was busted out. So I went on ahead and cleaned it up. I did. Only parts I had ordered was a radiator, condenser, and a grill, because that grill, everywhere I've been looking, it's been like 150 bucks up. And I found one guy, he said, I got one absolutely perfect condition, $50. Take it. Take it. Headlights, they're going to be about $230 to $280 for a set of headlights. I'm going to try to fix the hood. The fender, I'm not going to be able to fix that. Yeah, that's too bad. See if I can find another fender. So if I get the main thing is getting the frames pulled back into place. If I could get that done. Now I'm hoping I could get it done, well, pull it back and I don't have to replace them. But worst case scenario, I will cut it and weld some new ones. This one I'm not getting rid of. I'm actually going to keep it. I'll probably get rid of mine before I get rid of this one. And that's it. Till next time, if you guys have any parts or know anybody that has parts, I'm trying not to get scammed, because it's people selling parts online on Facebook and all that stuff. And I want to pull the trigger on it, but I just don't feel right doing it. And I would do it if somebody was using PayPal or something. But if they use Zelle or not Cash App, but Zelle or some of the other banking, they don't cover if you never receive your goods. So if you order something or buy something from somebody and they don't send it to you, that's it. I had one guy, I just went on ahead and I had bought an intercooler from him on Facebook, and he shipped it out, and I was happy for that. But I got burned a couple times on some parts, and actually some shoes too. I had ordered some shoes and I didn't get them. So until next time, please comment, like, subscribe, and help me find these SC parts, please. All right, thank you guys. Bye.